Welcome to the EG Academy. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with remote sensing. So the first question, clear water reflects dash energy. Option A consistent, option B less, option C more, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B less energy. So the clear water reflects less energy. Next question, in healthy vegetation also during summer there is dash absorption of blue and red energy. Option A more, option B less, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A more energy. In healthy vegetation there is a more absorption of blue and red energy. Next question, in case of soil there is nearly dash transmittance of the energy. Option A more, option B minimum, option C 0, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C 0. So the soil will not transmit the energy. Next question, in soil reflectance dash with presence of moisture, surface roughness or organic content. Option A increases, option B decreases, option C remains same, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B decreases. We already know the transmittance of the soil, so transmittance of the energy of the soil is very less. So in the soil reflectance decreases with the presence of moisture. So next question, dash or device on which camera or sensors are mounted for viewing earth to get image or photographs. Option A platforms, option B mounting, option C radio antenna, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A platforms. Next question, dash is one of the most common land-based platform. Option A handheld, option B wireless antenna, option C cherry picker, option D all the above. The correct answer is option C cherry picker. Here we do not answer all the above because only the cherry picker is the most common land-based platform. Next question, aircrafts are used for remote sensing and photogrammetry, both true or false. Option A true, option B false, option C cannot say. So the correct answer is option A true. Next question, dash are the orbit having the distance in between 2000 km to 36,000 km from the surface of the earth. Option A low earth orbit, option B medium earth orbit, option C geostationary orbit, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is medium earth orbit. Next question, geostationary orbit is special case of synchronous orbit. Option A true, option B false, option C cannot say. The correct answer is option A true. Next question, dash types of orbit matches with the earth rotation inclined at some angle with respect to equator of the earth, generally not more than 45 degree. Option A sun synchronous, option B geosynchronous, option C fair earth, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B geosynchronous. Next question, GLONASS is the satellite system developed by option A Russia, option B Germany, option C USA, option D China. The correct answer is option A Russia. Next question, Hubble telescope was launched by Discovery Space Shuttle on option A 28th April 1992, option B 24th April 1991, option C 24th April 1990, option D 28th April 1991. The correct answer is option C 24th April 1990. Next question, Hubble telescope orbits about dash kilometer above the Earth's surface. Option A 547 kilometers, option B 690 kilometers, option C 1223 kilometers, option D 2236 kilometers. The correct answer is option A 547 kilometers. Next question, COMPASS Compass satellite constellation series launched by option A India, option B Canada, option C China, option D France. The correct answer is option C China. Next question, dash orbit have their axis of rotation aligned to north-south pole of the earth. Option A sun synchronous, option B polar, option C geostationary, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B polar orbit. Next question, which of the following highly elliptical orbit HEO was developed by Soviet Union? Option A Zara, option B Gagarin, option C Molonia, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C Molonia. Next question, CARTOSAT 3 was launched in Option A 26th November 2018, option B 27th November 2019, option C 21st July 2019, option D 11th December 2019. The correct answer is option B 27th November 2019. Next question, which vehicle was used in the launching of projection of RISAT 2BR1? Option A PSLV C45, option B PSLV C48, option C GSLV 4, option D GSLV 6. The correct answer is option B PSLV C48. Next question, EM energy can be detected or recorded by option A photographic system, option B electronic system, option D both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C both A and B. The EM energy can be recorded or detected by photographic system and electronic system. Next question, which of the system data acquisition offers broad range of sensitivity in detecting the EM radiation, that is electromagnetic radiation? Option A photographic system, option B electronic system, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B electronic system. Next question, NOAA stands for option A National Office of Airborne Administration, option B National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, option C National Oceanography and Atmospheric Activity, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Next question, IKONOS was launched and managed by option A Roscosmos, option B NASA, option C Space Imaging Inc., option D CSA. So the correct answer is option C Space Imaging Inc. Next question, Geostationary Orbital Environmental Satellite GOES was launched by option A Roscosmos, option B NOAA, option C NASA, option D ISRO. The correct answer is option B NOAA. Next question, Airborne Vessel Infrared Image Spectrometer AVIRIS is developed by option A ITRES Research Limited, option B Jet Propulsion Lab, option C NASA, option D Roscosmos. So the correct answer is option B Jet Propulsion Lab. Next question, Moderate Resolution Image Spectrometer is developed by option A ITRES Research Lab, option B Jet Propulsion Lab, option C NASA, option D ISRO. The correct answer is option C NASA. Next question, HYSIS developed by ISRO having the scanning interval of dash nanometer, option A 10, option B 0.1, option C 100, option D none of the above. The correct answer is 10 nanometer. Next question, recently dash was developed by ITRES Research Limited of Canada, option A AVHRR, option B CASI2, option C VISNAR, option D all the above. The correct answer is option B CASI2. Next question, all the objects above dash temperature emit electromagnetic energy, option A 0 Kelvin, option B 273 Kelvin, option C minus 273 Kelvin, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A 0 Kelvin. Next question, thermal sensor generally sends radiant energy from the target heated through option A radiation, option B convection, option C conduction, option D all the above. The correct answer is option D all the above. Next question, RISAT radar image satellites employs C band of dash centimeter wavelength band, option A 3 to 3.9, option B 3.9 to 7.5, option C 7.5 to 10, option D 10 to 14. The correct answer is option B 3.9 to 7.5. Next question, dash is capacity with which the sensor can sense smallest possible object with reasonable accuracy, option A spatial resolution, option B spectral resolution, option C radiometric resolution, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A spatial resolution. Next question, remote sensing is a dash recording of information, option A contact, option B non-contact, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B non-contact. Next question, Landsat is a satellite series of option A Canada, option B European Union, option C USA, option D Russia. The correct answer is option C USA. Next question. In 1860s, Dash conceptualized the EM radiation of an EM energy or wave which travels through the space at the speed of light. Option A James Maxwell, option B James Watt, option C Sir Isaac Newton, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A James Maxwell. So James Maxwell conceptualized the electromagnetic radiation as an electromagnetic energy or wave which travel through the space at the speed of light. Next question. What is SAR? Option A synthetic array radar, option B synthetic aperture radar, option C synthetic apron radar, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B synthetic aperture radar. Next question. LISS is an example of option A active sensor, option B passive sensor, option B both active and passive sensor, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B passive sensor. Next question. In dash type of remote sensing, the sun is primary source of energy. Option A active, option B passive, option C both A and B, option D cannot say. The correct answer is option B passive. Next question. RISAT stands for option A radio satellite, option B radio navigation and ranging satellite, option C radar imaging satellite, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C radar image satellite. Next question. Which of the color of electromagnetic spectrum is used for bathymetry studies? Option A red, option B UV, option C blue, option D green. The correct answer is option D green. Next question. Dash reflection occurs when all the energy is directed away from the surface in the single direction. Option A mirror-like, option B specular, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C both A and B. Next question. Diffuse reflection occurs when all the energy is reflected dash in all the direction. Option A randomly, option B uniformly, option C cannot say, option D both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B uniformly. Next question. On dash surface perfect diffuse reflection occurs. Option A ideal, option B ideal and smooth, option C Lambertian, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C Lambertian. Next question. When electromagnetic radiation enters the atmosphere, it is subjected to option A scattering, option B absorption, option C transmission, option D all the above. The correct answer is option D all the above. Next question. The fact that sky appears to the blue is due to option A Rayleigh scattering, option B May scattering, option C non-selecting scattering, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option A Rayleigh scattering. Next question. Rayleigh scattering occurs when particle size is less than wavelength of the incoming radiation. Option A very small, option B equal, option C smaller or equal, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A very small. Next question. Those areas of spectrum which are not severely influenced by atmosphere absorption and thus are useful to remote sensors are called option A special band of electromagnetic spectrum, option B atmospheric windows, option C radio waves, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B atmospheric windows. Next question. Transmission windows is visible and infrared regions are dash micrometer. Option A 0.3 to 0.4, option B 0.4 to 0.8, option C 0.3 to 0.7, option D 0.3 to 0.8. So the correct answer is option C 0.3 to 0.7. Again we will see next video. Thank you.